The Atlantic horseshoe crab is not modern. It does not belong to the present world. It is a survivor from a time when oceans were ruled by creatures that no longer exist. This animal has remained almost unchanged for more than 450 million years. Dinosaurs came and went. The horseshoe crab stayed. Despite its name, the Atlantic horseshoe crab is not a crab. It is more closely related to spiders and scorpions than to true crustaceans. It belongs to an ancient lineage of arthropods that evolved long before modern marine ecosystems took shape. Calling it primitive is a mistake. It is perfected, a body designed to endure. The horseshoe crab's body is protected by a hard, horseshoe-shaped shell called a carapace. This shell is not decorative. It is armor. Predators struggle to bite through it. Waves cannot easily damage it. Sand and debris slide off its curved surface. The long tail, known as a telson, is often misunderstood as a weapon. It is not used to sting. It acts as a lever, allowing the animal to flip itself over if waves turn it upside down. This is not aggression. This is survival engineering. Vision without a brain upgrade. Atlantic horseshoe crabs have multiple eyes. 2 large compound eyes on top, several simple eyes near the mouth, and light-sensitive cells along the tail. Their vision is not sharp by human standards, but it is perfectly tuned for detecting movement and changes in light. This helps them navigate shallow coastal waters and time their spawning with lunar cycles. They do not need intelligence. They need consistency. Life on the seafloor. Most of their life is spent on the ocean floor. They move slowly, plowing through sand and mud in search of food. Their diet consists of worms, mollusks, and small invertebrates. They do not chase prey. They uncover it. Using specialized legs, they grind food before pushing it toward the mouth located at the center of their underside. Everything about their behavior is efficient and calm, breathing like an ancient machine. Horseshoe crabs breathe using book gills, layered structures that resemble the pages of a book. These gills allow them to extract oxygen from water and, for short periods, from air. This adaptation lets them survive temporary exposure during low tides and beach spawning events. They are not fragile. They are adaptable. The ritual of spawning. Each year, Atlantic horseshoe crabs perform one of the most important rituals in coastal ecosystems. During spring and summer full moons, they crawl onto beaches to spawn. Females dig shallow nests in the sand and lay thousands of eggs. Males fertilize them externally. These eggs become a critical food source for migratory shorebirds traveling thousands of kilometers. Remove horseshoe crabs, and bird populations collapse. A keystone species without fame. Horseshoe crabs do not dominate ecosystems by force. They support them quietly. Their eggs feed birds. Their movement aerates sediment. Their presence stabilizes food webs. They are a foundation species, holding systems together without being noticed. Blood more valuable than gold. One of the most shocking facts about the Atlantic horseshoe crab lies in its blood. Their blood is blue. It contains copper-based hemocyanin instead of iron-based hemoglobin. More importantly, it contains cells that react instantly to bacterial toxins. This reaction is used in modern medicine to test vaccines, implants, and intravenous drugs. Every injection you trust has likely depended on horseshoe crab blood. There is no synthetic replacement yet. The cost of survival. Millions of horseshoe crabs are captured and bled each year. Many survive the process. Many do not. Habitat loss, overharvesting, and climate change have reduced populations in some areas. An animal that survived mass extinctions now struggles with modern industry. Not evolved, not replaced. The Atlantic horseshoe crab did not evolve into something else because it did not need to. Its design works. Evolution is not about becoming better. It is about becoming sufficient. This species reached sufficiency hundreds of millions of years ago. Final perspective. The Atlantic horseshoe crab does not chase progress. It does not adapt to trends. It does not compete. It endures. While oceans changed, continents shifted, and species vanished, this animal stayed true to its form. It proves that survival is not always about intelligence or speed. Sometimes, survival belongs to those who get it right once and never need to change again.